Hello, today I'm going to show you how I transform my hair from this to this amazing gorgeous hairstyle. Wow.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget your golden.
Hello friends, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly hit on that subscribe button down below and also the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you saw from the title, today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve an easy, simple, natural hairstyle that you can do under 20 minutes. Like, this is a really simple hairstyle and I'm just going to take you step by step. This is like beginner friendly tutorial. So without any further ado, let's just start the video. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just applying my hair food and I'm using the one from TCB, and I love actually the smell, how it makes like my scalp to feel. It's just amazing. Now I'm applying my coconut oil, which is in solid form. I didn't like have the time to wait for it to like to change its from solid to liquid form. I didn't have like the patience. I didn't guys, I didn't. So right now I'm just unraveling the twist one by one, and then I'm going to later on show you how I detangle, not detangle, but I'm going to show you how I separate the curls further, and I have like a separate technique from the normal technique that most people use, and I love that technique, and I'm just going to explain to you just in a few. So this is actually like twist that I did like 1 week ago, and I didn't plan like to change the hairstyle. So basically I did like big twist. So now I'm going to show you how I further separate my curl, and all I do is just run my fingers through the one strand of my hair, and then like a couple of times, but I don't go like all the way through. I just go halfway, or where I feel like I'm okay with it. Like as you can see, I just go like 3/4 of like the strand. Like, I hope you're getting, but I know you're seeing what I'm basically doing. So I'm just going to do like that to the whole head, and if you do like small like sections of twist, you're going to get a nice fuller look. But mine was not that. Because I did like a big twist, the look wasn't like cooperating with me, and I didn't have like also the time to like separate further. But I know I could have separated further. I have a similar video on how like I use the same technique, so you can go and check it out. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below, so check it out. Go ahead after this video, go and check it out. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So what I'm basically now doing is just sectioning like my front car area into like 2 sections, and then I use like Nice and Lovely styling gel just to make my patterns a little bit neater and well put together. And then I'm just using rubber bands to tie it up. And then because I'm extra, I decided like, let me just add like two more sections. You're going to see in just a bit, and actually you can like rock your hairstyle without even adding the 2 like sections. So now I'm just dividing it into like 2 more sections so that I can have like 4 sections, and I'm going to like those like the 2 sections that I'm adding, I'm going to like crisscross them to the 2 front sections that I have already. You're going to see that in a bit. And then I'm going to, after like I've tied the back section into with a rubber band, I'm going to just I'm just going to braid my hair and then connect them to this front section that you are seeing. Yeah, you just basically seen what I'm doing. And also you can accessorize your hairstyle. You're going to see at the end of the video what I used, so you can like be extra and add like more like things to make your hair like look so pretty and cute. So, and then now I'm just taking my leave-in treatment from TCB, and then I'm also taking my spray bottle which has water, and then detangling the arctica section. And initially I wanted to like do a one nice juicy twist, but I decided to like unravel. I decided to do like two on both sides. And funny thing is that this style you can rock it for days. And the first day I rocked, I just did like the two twist on each side, and then the next day I unraveled the twist to have like some nice juicy twist out. And now what I'm doing to the back side, I'm just dividing into two big sections, and then I'm just going to tie that section that you are seeing me holding with a hair tie, and I just make this hairstyle to like look like a half up half down kind of hairstyle, and I actually love it. If you have reached to this part of the video, kindly subscribe and show me love by sharing this video and liking this video and commenting down below on what you think. And also I attempted to lay my edges, and you're going to see like the final result, yeah, in just a few minutes. And just right now I'm just tying it, and I've just applied like the leave-in, and now I'm sealing the moisture with this shea butter. I love shea butter products. I love. So I'm just going to tie this with a rubber band, and then to just put the look all together, and look a little bit, cute. And now I'm just attempting to lay my edges off camera, because on camera my edges never cooperate, in short. Yeah, so like I said, you can put accessories, you can rock it like so. The second day I unraveled the twist, and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.